in the studio. All I want for my birthday is a big booty house. Skirt, skirt, rich out. All I want for my birthday is a big booty house.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me so we can be locked in together. Sorry, not sorry for that little the little turn up session I just had. It is officially April. It is officially my birthday month, and I could not be happier. And on top of all that, I graduate in a month, in a couple weeks. Like, time is flying by so fast, and I don't even know how I feel about it. Like, one hand I'm happy, and the other, like, I need time to slow down. But anyway, like I said, it's my birthday month, so if you would like to, you know, Venmo me, cash at me, send me some cash, whatever you want to do, whatever works best for you, I don't mind. But, you know, gifts are always welcome. But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a nice little swimsuit haul. Since summer is right around the corner, I thought it'd be a good idea to, you know, pick up some suits, some cheap suits. I was trying to, you know, not break the bank with these. I got them for the low. They are from Target. I didn't pick up that many because, like I said, I was trying to break the bank, but there was a lot that I saw that were really cute and I just had to have. I didn't get them all, but I want to show you guys what those look like and all that kind of cool stuff. So keep watching and I'll show you guys all my new swimsuits. So the first swimsuit that I'm going to show you guys looks like this. It is just a pair of plaid bathing suit bottoms. They have like little ties on the side, which are really cute and festive. I know these look really big, especially for me, but I had to get them in extra large because I really wanted the swimsuit. And since there's ties on the side, I thought I could adjust, you know, the sizing of the bottoms just so they would fit my waist, because I know this extra large is not going to fit my waist. I really just picked this up because I really like the pattern. I like the black and white. It looks cute. I thought it would look cute on. And yeah, these are the bottoms. So this is what the top looks like. Same pattern and everything. It even has a little fringy tie thing in the front, which is really cute. I got the top in a large, and yeah, hopefully it fits because I wear a size large. So yeah. So this is what the first bathing suit's looking like. And as you can tell, the top is entirely way too small. This is in a size large and is literally suffocating my girls. The bottoms don't fit me at all either. Don't know what I was thinking getting an extra large, but it was the only size they had, so I had to do what I had to do. So overall, I like this swimsuit. I just need to exchange the top and the bottom for the right size so I can actually like look right in the swimsuit. But overall, I like it, and yeah. So the next bathing suit looks like this. It is an all white bathing suit with a little, like, you know, T in the back. Has a little T print, you know, looks cute or whatever. There's a clasp in the front to clasp your girls together. It's gold, looks really cute, kind of like rose gold. Yeah, this is definitely rose gold. But anyway, it's a nice cute white bathing suit. I actually love white bathing suits. I owned one in the past, but I put something red in the wash and my white bathing suit is now pink, and I'm really upset about it because it was expensive. I spent all that money on a freaking white bathing suit that I've, you know, I told you I've been wanting for like forever, and I turned it pink. So no longer white bathing suit. But now I have one to officially replace that bathing suit. So yeah. These are what the bottoms look like. They're white, just like the top, so they can match. They have a little tie on the side. You know, just your normal, typical bikini bottoms with the little ties on the side. So, yeah. Overall, I really like this bathing suit. It's a nice white bathing suit. Hopefully I don't turn it again, like I said. So, yeah. The next bathing suit I got, which I thought was really cute, was this like pastel print bathing suit. The top kind of looks like a sports bra top, which is really cute. You know, just to hold the girls, support the girls, and cover them up. I like this one. Just gives me more of a full coverage compared to, you know, those itty bitty bathing suit tops that don't always hold my girls right. I got this top in an extra large just to give me some more support, and this was probably the only size they had, or else I would have probably got a large, but I did get an extra large in this top, and I don't know if it'll fit on, but I hope it will. So this is what the bottoms look like. They're identical to the top. I think this print is just really cute. I really like the colors, are nice. I got this in a size large, and I'll show you guys how those fit on. I'm not 100% sure, you know, how they'll fit, but they do look like they're full coverage in the back. So the top fits perfectly. I thought it wasn't going to because I got this top in an extra large, but it's doing, you know, my girls justice. And also I have no complaints on the bottoms. Full coverage. My cake is not out, and that's cool because I don't know, but I like this bathing suit. And yeah, tell me guys what you think, if you like it, all the cool stuff. All of the bathing suits I picked up from Target are full coverage. You know, gotta keep them cheeks covered sometimes. And I think these are good swimsuits that will do just that. But that's it for this video. I know it was kind of short. I didn't have that many swimsuits to try on. Like I said, I was trying to break the bank, but these swimsuits were cheap because they were from Target. I personally really like them. I know the Plaid one was a little big, but I probably will exchange those for a smaller size because, like I said, I still like the print and everything. They're just a little big. But besides that, I liked all the swimsuits. I will be going back to Target to pick up more. If you have any questions about the suits I got or sizing or anything like that, please ask below in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.